Good morning and welcome to my neighborhood. I'm David Wilson here for Overdy Vest Nurseries with a simple, quick and very easy little tip for you that might help you when you're kind of in between seasons. We're getting nice spring days like today, but it's still frosty and cold at night and you can't quite put out the annuals yet. Well, here's a suggestion for you, and that is that you go along to some of our partnering garden centres and buy some of our attractive manicured flowering shrubs, the likes of this little Weigela My Monet here from Proven Winners. And then all you have to do is bring it home, and if you've got planters, pots, containers, or even window boxes or something like that, then all you have to do is to take it and pop it inside the planter, and as you see, you've got an instant display. Now, the neat thing about this is that we of course grow these so that they're beautifully shaped and manicured, but we also grow them with a special kind of fertilizer that means it continues to feed them for a long time after you actually buy the plant. That means that when you put it into a pot like this, literally all you have to do is water it, and it will continue to grow and fill out. And then when you're ready to plant your planters up properly, all you have to do, of course, take it out of the pot and then plant it out somewhere in your garden so that then you're able to enjoy this for many years to come. This is David Wilson. Enjoy your gardening. It's good for us and it's very good for our environment too.